Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the battery and device care section. Then click here to the battery, scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the wireless power sharing. Just to turn it on, we should click here once on the switcher, and after that we should put our phone back to back with another device, and now we can see that the wireless power sharing is activated and it's charging now. Now just to turn it off, you should just unsend the device, and now that's it. The wireless power sharing options automatically is turned off. You can also switch here the battery limit of wireless charging. For example, now we have selected the 30%, so this means that the charging will stop when your phone will reach the 30%. You can decrease this limit if you want, or increase. No, this is the minimum. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.